Good afternoon, class. Today we discuss a new chapter of your GK book, which one is Branded India. In this chapter, we will discuss about some famous brands of India. Here is a brief introduction of some famous Indian brands. Can you guess their name? Can you guess their name? Now we start to discuss. First one is, it is started in 1897 as a logs manufacturing company. This group is currently one of the most accomplished and diversified business group in India. The brand ranges across various products including logs, cupboards, refrigerators, hair dye, edible oil and soaps. So the name of this brand is Godrej. The name of this brand is Godrej. It is a symbol of Godrej brand. Now we'll discuss about second brand. This group was established by Jamsetji Tata in the second half of the 19th century. Top brands include Indica, Tanishq, Titan, Voltas and Tetley. So the name of this brand is Tata. It is the symbol of Tata brand. Tata. Now we discuss next one. Jamnalal Bajaj, the famous founder of the group. The Jamnalal Bajaj, the famous founder of the group, was a close confidant and disciple of Mahatma Gandhi. This brand was founded in 1926 at the height of India's movement for independence. The name of this brand is Bajaj. It is the symbol of Bajaj brand. Bajaj. Next, some of the famous brands of this huge industrial group includes Pierce, Lux, Vim and Dalda. So name of all these brand is Hindustan Unilever. Hindustan Unilever. Next one is, it began its operation in 1948 by importing chocolates and then repacking them before distribution in the Indian market. Key brands include Dairy Milk, 5 Star, Perk, Eclair and Celebrations. So name of this brand is Cadbury. 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 Next, incorporated on August 24, 1910 under the name of Imperial Tobacco Company of India Limited. It has a diversified presence in cigarettes, hotels, paper boards, agribusiness, packaged food and branded apparel. So name of this ITC. Next one is India's largest private sector conglomerate, which was founded by the late Indian industrialist Dhirubhai Ambani. So name of this brand is Reliance Industries. No. Next and last one. This brand is synonymous with automobiles. It is the largest industrial group in South India, originating as transport company in 1911. It now deals in automotive component dealerships and electronics. The name of this brand is TVS. TVS. It is the symbol of TVS. It is the symbol of Reliance brand. It is the symbol of ITC companies. Now, thank you class.